You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Come test drive the 2022 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, hill descent control, steering wheel controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.